Meaning of ground floor.
Ground floor.
Ground floor.
Ground floor.
Ground floor. The term ground floor typically refers to the lowest level of a building that is in direct contact with the ground. It is often where the main entrance to a building is located and where public areas such as lobbies, reception desks, and retail spaces can be found. In some countries, the term ground floor may also refer to what is commonly known in other places as the first floor. It is important to clarify which meaning is intended when discussing building floors to avoid confusion.